Oh my god, such stories got millions of views. Can we make it? Yeah, true, we can make it. So, let's make it. Step number 1, to make such videos, we want a story. A very good stories. Moral stories, motivational stories, such kind of stories we need. For this, for getting the stories, you can use ChatGPT or you can use books or wherever you can read it, or you have your own creativity. In a ChatGPT, we can give a prompt to generate a story. Like this, you can generate a story of 200 words, 300 words, as long as you want it. So now step number 1 is completed. We have generated a good samurai story. Now let's go to step 2. Our step number 2 is generating AI images for our stories. For AI image generator, you can use Leonardo.ai. Let's proceed to our step number 2, generating our images. This is Leonardo.ai interface. Here we will go for launch app. Now in this interface you have to click on image creation. In image creations, let me quick tell you the interface. Here we have to enter the prompt so that it can generate a AI image. Here you will find a type, in which type you want to generate an image, in an anime style or cinematic cano or graphic design or Leonardo lighting, any kind of it. And you can use also style for it also, illustrator, minimalistic, moody, natural, neutral, any kind of it. So you have to choose one, and since it is for my YouTube channel, I am taking the size 16:9. 1:1 is for Instagram, as you know all this stuff. For prompt and for the samurai story, we will ask to ChatGPT to generate a prompt. As we command to ChatGPT to convert the story scene by scene, we get our scene by scene structure. In scene 1, we want to show a village, a serene village, nestled between rolling hills and lush forest. Like this, we will copy this one. So for this scene, ChatGPT is giving us a prompt. We just have to copy this and we have to paste in Leonardo.ai like this, and we will generate it. So here we got very beautiful structures, the serene village, and you can generate many images from this also. Like this, you have to ask for ChatGPT scene by scene and it will give a prompt, and you have to just copy paste it in Leonardo.ai. Since it is a samurai story, I have generated many images, many AI images for samurai by asking ChatGPT, and here are the prompts I have used. I will give this prompt in description section also. If you want, you can check it also. After we generate the images, you have this download option and it is easily get downloaded in your desktop. I have generated these AI images as per as our storyline is. In Leonardo.ai, you have also very good feature of image to motion conversion also. As I have generated this image by using this prompt, I have downloaded this image, but I want this image in a motion form so that it will give a really nice look in my story. I will use image to motion conversion and it will require my 25 credit points. And I have generated it and it will convert in a motion form. Look how beautiful it is and how classy it is. The image is easily converted into a motion form, which you directly easily use it by simply downloading it. Wow! Like this, you have to generate all the images. So we have got all our stories and images. Now we have to go to step 3, that is telling the stories in your voice or in AI voice. Your voice, you have to simply go to Google and type audio recording. You will got this, and by clicking on this, you can record your own voice and you can tell the story in your voice, or you can tell the story in your voice. AI option also, that is elevan labs. we have just signed up it for free. From here, you have to just copy paste that, and now we have got many options and many voices also. From here on playing on this, you can hear the voice, and from generate speech you can generate it, and from here you can download it. Like this, we have done our step 3 also, that is getting the voice or getting the AI voice also. Now our last step, that is step number 4, is assembling all this, the story, the voice, and the images. For that, you can use any editing app. I am using Capcut. And this is our step number 4, that is assembling all the stuff we have generated and make a proper good video from it. As many as images and videos you have generated, you have to import in this. And for this image, I can use many effects also. You have to just go to the effects. So for this image, if I want some kind of effects, I can use it from this effect section. Any kind of effect you can use it. This lightning effect, and it is looking really nice. And like this, you can use effects to all other images. You can give effects and all other transitions and many kind of stickers which are relatable to your story in CapCut, and it will form a really good story. You can add effects and all other things also. For any kind of dramatic effects, you can use many kind of sound effects which are available free on internet, or you can use it from CapCut also. And by using the recorded audio, the effects, the transitions, the filters, in filter sections also you have very good options. We have seen this kind of videos get a lot of views. Like these have moral stories also and a dramatic animation also. So such kind of videos really get a lot of views and attention, as it is very informative, moral lessons, motivational lessons, but in a animated way, in a very good way. So here we have make such a beautiful, classy, really a good quality animated video of a moral story. You know that such kind of stories, animated stories, have really good audience, whether it's kids or adults. Such stories are really a attractive point, so you can make it and use it also. So I have told you all the 4 steps and you are ready to go. If you have come this far with me, please do subscribe. I will make many amazing content for you. So please do subscribe guys, hit the like button and comment if you really like it. My tutorials are all about telling the stuffs in a more simple way so that you can learn fast and apply your creativity, and you are just ready to go. After generating this story, I will upload it separately to get you the idea. Please do view that video and comment down if you really like it. I will be waiting for your comments eagerly. Will waiting for your reviews. Thank you. Stay tuned for many such amazing content. Thank you.